Artificial intelligence is reshaping everything around us, from how we drive to how we shop, and now how we manage money. But today, we're answering a bold question that's on the minds of thousands of financial professionals and clients alike. Will AI replace financial advisors and life insurance salespeople? The answer isn't just yes or no. It's deeper. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly where the industry is heading and how to not just survive, but thrive. Section 1. The myth of total replacement. Let's bust the biggest myth first. AI won't replace great financial advisors or life insurance professionals. Why? Because money is personal, deeply personal. When people buy life insurance, plan for retirement, or make decisions about their legacy, they're not just looking for spreadsheets and numbers. They're looking for trust. They want to be understood. I can calculate. I can predict. But I can't care. It doesn't have a spouse. It's never worried about sending a kid to college. It can't look a client in the eye and say, "I've got you." That's where humans shine. Point number 1. Emotional intelligence AI can simulate empathy, but real trust is earned. A good advisor doesn't just offer numbers. They offer reassurance. In moments of fear, like a market crash or a medical emergency, people want someone they know has their back. Point number 2. Human judgment in complex scenarios. Now imagine this. You've got a blended family, a business to pass down, and charitable goals. You need tax strategies, estate plans, insurance layers, and retirement income projections. That's not a simple calculator job. That's strategic human thinking. Point number 3. Ethical and legal accountability. There's also the question of who's liable. If AI makes a recommendation and it's wrong, who takes responsibility? That's why regulations still require human oversight in most financial industries. Clients want someone who can be held accountable, not just a faceless bot. Section 2. What AI will replace. Now let's be honest. AI will take over certain parts of the advisor and sales process. And honestly, that's a good thing. Point number 1. Routine tasks get automated. Think data entry, appointment scheduling, CRM updates, and even policy comparisons. These tasks eat up hours. AI will handle them instantly and accurately. That means you, the advisor, get to focus on what really matters: solving problems, building relationships, growing your practice. Point number 2. AI as a decision assistant. AI doesn't just automate, it augments. It can track market trends, analyze behavior patterns, and simulate scenarios faster than any human. It won't make the decision for you, but it will give you smarter options to choose from. Think of it like this. AI is your co-pilot, not your competitor. Point number 3. Enhanced client experience at scale. Chatbots and AI agents can answer basic client questions 24/7. They can onboard new clients, provide real-time policy updates, and even deliver personalized financial education. That means you can serve more clients without lowering your service quality. Section 3. The rise of the AI-enhanced advisor. So if AI isn't replacing advisors, it's creating a new kind of advisor, the AI-enhanced advisor. This is someone who uses AI to work faster, uses AI to deliver smarter insights, and uses human connection to build lasting trust. These advisors won't be buried in paperwork. They'll be freed up to focus on building wealth strategies that really matter. And clients will notice. They'll see you're not just old school, you're future ready. The question you should ask isn't, will AI replace me? It's, am I using AI to multiply my impact? Section 4. What this means for life insurance sales. If you're in life insurance, you're probably wondering, how does this affect you? Simple. Your job is part sales, part education, part therapy. AI can quote policies, sure, but it can't walk someone through the moment when they realize their family might be left unprotected. It can't comfort a widow, or help a new parent sleep at night. But here's what it can do. Pre-qualified leads, personalized follow-ups, recommend coverage options faster, automate client check-ins and reminders. The pros who master this tech will crush the old-school competition. You'll sell more with less time and more confidence. So, will AI replace financial advisors and life insurance agents? No, it won't. But it will replace those who fail to evolve. If you're ready to stay ahead of the curve, if you want to be part of the next generation of smart, efficient, trusted advisors, then now is your moment. Because in the future of finance, it's not man versus machine. It's man with machine. Serving clients better than ever. Like this video to ensure that more people have this information. Leave a comment below telling us how having this information helped you, and subscribe to join the Smart Wealth movement.